So 12th class, I was discussing the stack program. I just discussed the push function. Okay, so I am repeating the entire code once again. Then I'll be discussing the PT2 paper with you. Okay, so let me open MS Word also so that I can draw the diagram and explain the stack in detail. Is MS Word page visible? Thank you. So this is your stack. 0 index, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Zero, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. So after this, we have top equal to none, right? And I am taking stack name S and empty stack. So this much diagram is visible to everyone? Yes. Okay. So let us start the program once again from the main function. I have declared an empty stack. You please type parallel on your PC and be fast in typing, okay? So that well in time your program is finished. I have a stack S which is declared as empty list because I am representing stack as list. Clear? Then I have initialized top equal to none. None means right now top is not pointing to any value. Top अभी किसी भी index को refer नहीं कर रहा. Top is not referring to any index. So top is none. Parallel, I open this diagram also. Because stack is empty, container is empty. Okay. And not even a single element is stored inside the container. So top is none. Then run the while loop till user stops. The loop will continue as per the user's choice. I have created this menu: push function, pop function, peek function, and display function with the value 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you ask the user about the choice. What choice user wants to enter? यूजर के पास 4 चॉइसेस हैं. यूजर कौन सी चॉइस चलाना चाहता है ये आप यूजर से इनपुट करवाइए. सपोज यूजर एंटर 1 मींस चॉइस 1. दैट मींस यूजर वांट टू गो विद द पुश फंक्शन. ओके. Which element the user want to insert, get that element inputted by the user. User जो भी element stack के अंदर push करवाना चाहता है, ओके, वो element user से input करवा लो. Clear? जैसे मैंने इनपुट करवाया 5, पुश फंक्शन को इन्वोक किया, आई इन्वोक द पुश फंक्शन. When I call the push function, I passed two parameters. One is the name of stack. Second is the element which I want to insert. Then I shifted to the push function which I have defined at the top. How to define the function? By using the keyword def, name of the function, name of the stack, and x. S and x, they are formal parameters. x आइटम का ही दूसरा नाम है. यहां पे आपने s और आइटम लिए ना, आइटम का सेकंड नेम क्या लिया? x. आप यहां पे आइटम भी ले सकते हैं. X is pointing to item only. So if I inputted 5, so X will take the value 5. X equal to item equal to 5. Okay. Now I enter into the function. If in list you want to insert, you want to add any element, you are to use append function. Why append function? Because with the help of append function, you can add one element at a time. You can add one element at a time. Clear? Am I clear to all? So the name of the list, that is S dot append function, and pass the element which you want to append. तो हमारा 5 एलिमेंट यहां पे आ गए. Five element comes here. Okay. +2 online. Are both the windows visible? MS Word and Programming Python window. Okay. Now see this arrow which I have drawn. Arrow indicates that to what element top is pointing. To what element top is pointing. Where arrow will be there, where arrow will point, top will be there. जिस लोकेशन को टॉप एरो, ये एरो पॉइंट करेगा, टॉप वहीं पे होगा. Okay. So by using this command, name of the list, append function X, I have added one element into the stack. Okay. Now, what was top? None. Now top has to be updated. Top has to be updated. How we will update? Whatever is the length of the stack minus 1. When one element is inserted in the list, what is the length of the list? 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So top is pointing to 0. Is it clear? We came back here. Okay. Now again ask the user, enter the choice. User say 1. Second time again user want to insert one element. This time user want to insert 8. So 8 comes here. 8 comes over here. Okay. राइट। अब दो एलिमेंट आ गए तो लिस्ट की लेंथ क्या हो गई? 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Top will be pointing to 1. Am I clear up till here? Any doubt, any queries in the push function? Yes, online students, any questions, any queries in the push function? Those who have understood this function, only they will raise their thumb. Jatin, Akriti, Udit, Sanvinder, Lagan, Bhavneet. Vaibhav is not attending the lecture. Hiya, Nandini, Jasdev is not in the class. Vidisha. Vidisha, Mark, Jasdev and Vaibhav absent. They didn't give any response. Okay. Third time again user says push function. Now user want to enter 10. Okay. So now what is the length of the list? 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Top is pointing to 2. Am I clear? Yes. Am I clear to all? Let me make setting of this. Okay. Now, let us suppose next time user says choice 2. User want to go with the pop function. User wants to go with the pop function. Let us come here. Here, I have called the pop function and I pass the stack as a parameter and I shifted to the pop function. This is the pop function. Now understand this function very carefully. Pop means to remove, to delete. First of all, I have to check, is my stack empty? कहीं मेरा कंटेनर खाली ही ना हो तो मैं डिलीट क्या करूंगा? If my container, if my stack is already empty, what I will delete? How we will check this? Compare your stack with empty list. क्या आपका स्टैक, क्या आपकी लिस्ट empty brackets के बराबर है? What does empty bracket signifies? Raise your hand. Don't give mass answering. Raise your hand. What does empty square bracket indicates? Empty list. क्या आपका स्टैक empty list है? अगर ये कंडीशन ट्रू हो गई, रिटर्न -1. -1 रिटर्न होकर कहां जाएगा? इधर आइटम में जाके स्टोर हो जाएगा. आइटम में क्या स्टोर हो गया? -1. इफ आइटम इक्वल टू -1, अगर फंक्शन से -1 रिटर्न होकर आया और आइटम वेरिएबल is equal to -1, that means the stack was already empty. There was nothing to delete. So there you will indicate the message of underflow. There you will indicate the message of underflow. Clear? Otherwise, if this condition fails, for example, as per the given diagram, how many elements are lying in the stack? 3. Stack is not empty. So this if condition fails. When this if condition fails, -1 is not returned. तो हम else पे आ गए. अब यहां देखो, s dot pop with empty bracket. Whenever you will use the pop function with empty brackets, that indicates it will remove the last element from the stack. So this element is removed. And this element gets stored in variable x. If length of s is 0, क्या स्टैक की लेंथ 0 है? नो. अभी 2 एलिमेंट पड़े हैं, लेंथ तो 0 हुई नहीं स्टैक की. तो टॉप को नन पे सेट कर दो. अगर स्टैक एम्प्टी हो गया, लेंथ 0 हो गई. अच्छा, what does length 0 of stack signifies? No element in stack. Stack is empty. Stack is empty. पर अभी तो empty हुआ ही नहीं. Still there are 2 elements left. So we will go to else part. Top update होगा. What was the top initial value? What was the initial value of stack length? 3. 2 means 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So top comes to minus. When 10 is removed, length is 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Top comes to 1. I remove this also. What is the length? 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Top is at 0. I remove this also. Length is 0. 0 minus 1, minus 1. That is, तो टॉप को हमने नन पे सेट कर देना. रिटर्न एक्स. रिटर्न मींस पॉप फंक्शन क्या करता है? पॉप फंक्शन एलिमेंट को रिमूव तो करता ही है, उसको रिटर्न भी करवाता है. तो एक्स में पहले का रिटर्न होगा 10. रिमूव किया था पहले, तो 10 रिटर्न होगा. 10 रिटर्न होके कहां आ गया? इधर. क्या आइटम -1 के बराबर है? क्या 10 -1 के बराबर है? नो. एल्स पे गए. पॉप्ड आइटम इज, क्या प्रिंट होगा? 10. पॉप आइटम इज got it? Yes, online class, any questions? Any doubt? Any queries? Let us go with the choice 3. When user give choice 3, user want to run the peek function. Peek function, I told you yesterday, you just check what value is lying at the top of the stack. Okay, you are not to remove the element, you are just visiting and you are just viewing it, right? So we jump to the peek function. This is the peek function, right? Now again check, is your stack empty? No, two elements are still there. Stack is not empty, तो -1 रिटर्न नहीं होगा. We come to else part. We come to else part. Okay. Length of stack -1. What is the length of stack? 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So top is at 1. Top is at 1. What is lying at 1? 8. टॉप किसको पॉइंट कर रहा है? 8 को. Return S of top. S of top means S of 1. What is lying at S of 1? तो 8 हमने रिटर्न कर दिया. रिटर्न होकर यहां आके स्टोर हो गया. आइटम की वैल्यू क्या हो गई? 8. क्या 8 -1 के बराबर है? नो. तो अंडरफ्लो प्रिंट नहीं हुआ. हम इधर आ गए. टॉप मोस्ट आइटम इन द स्टैक इज 8. क्या लिखा आएगा? Am I clear? Any doubt up till here? All right. Then let us proceed. If choice is equal to 4, user want to go with the display function. Whatever is the structure, user want to show the structure of the stack. So I have invoked the display function by passing stack as the parameter. So I shifted to the display function. Okay. Again check. Is your stack empty? No, it has two elements, 5 and 8. टॉप को कैलकुलेट करो. टॉप की हमारे पास वैल्यू क्या आई है? 1. टॉप को कैलकुलेट किया है यहां पर. टॉप की वैल्यू आई है 1. लेंथ ऑफ स्टैक -1. लेंथ है 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Top is pointing to 1. Top is here. Okay. Now print S of top. टॉप की वैल्यू क्या है? 1. S of 1 पे क्या पड़ा है? 8. तो 8 प्रिंट होगा. साथ में ये एरो ऐसे आएगा. ये एरो क्या सिग्निफाई करेगा आउटपुट में? What this arrow in output window signifies? Hurry up. Those who have understood the logic, tell me the answer of this. What this diagram of arrow in output will signify? Hurry up, answer the question. Yes, class. Quickly answer the question. Who will answer? What this arrow signifies? अरे पूरा स्टैक समझा दिया. अभी भी डाउट है? एरो क्या पॉइंट कर रहा है? कि टॉप पे 8 आई. लिखा तो है टॉप. ये टॉप है. टॉप किसको पॉइंट कर रहा है? 8 को. ओके. अब क्योंकि स्टैक एक लिस्ट है, तो आई एम यूजिंग द फॉर लूप टू प्रिंट द स्टैक. ओके. इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर. The item which is placed at the last will be first, then coming to the decreasing side. So top -1, top is top -1, whatever is the value of top, starting from there, ओके, -1 कमिंग 1 स्टेप बैक, उल्टा चल रहा है लूप, और स्टैक को हम डिस्प्ले करवा रहे हैं। ठीक है, लेट मी रन दिस कोड। Implement the stack. Enter your choice 1. Enter the element you want to insert in the stack 5. Enter your choice 1. Enter the element you want in the stack 8. Again enter your choice 1. Enter the element you want to insert in the stack 10. Enter your choice number 4. ये देखो स्ट्रक्चर डिस्प्ले हो गया स्टैक का। जो सबसे लास्ट में इंसर्ट हुआ था टॉप, उसको पॉइंट कर रहा है। अच्छा, डिलीट कौन सा सबसे पहले होगा? 10 के 5, 10। वाई 10? बिकॉज इंसर्शन एंड डिलीशन इन स्टैक टेक्स प्लेस ओनली एट वन एंड, दैट इज द टॉप। टॉप से ही इंसर्शन, टॉप से ही डिलीशन। Okay, enter your choice number 2, pop. Pop item is 10. Let us see the structure of the stack. Now stack is pointing to 8. 10 तो निकल गया। Enter your choice 3, peak. Peak means just to check which value is lying at the top. Topmost item in stack is 8. I hope entire program is clear to everyone.